Hello and welcome to our video on investment option for beginners. Today we'll explore various investment avenues available for people who are new to the world of investing. Whether you are a young professional or a seasoned saver, we have got you covered. So let's get started. Before we dive into the world of investment options, let's understand some key investment terms. Number 1. Return. The profit you make on your investment. Number 2. Risk. The possibility of losing money on your investment. Number 3. Diversification. Spreading your money across different options to reduce risk. Number 4. Long-term perspective. Investing with a focus of growing your money over time. Now let's see what are your investment options. The first investment option for beginners is mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from different investors to invest in diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds and other securities. And they are also managed by financial experts who take investment decisions on your behalf. It's a perfect choice for individuals who want to have professional management without being able to pick individual stocks. Mutual funds offers you diversification, that is spreading your money across different assets to reduce your risk. You can start with as low as Rs 500 in mutual funds, making it most popular choice among beginners for investment. Next up, we have indexed funds. This is a type of mutual fund that aims to replicate the performance of specific stock market index, that is the Nifty 50 or the Sensex. Indexed funds have recently gained popularity due to their simplicity and cost effectiveness. Since they mimic an index's performance, there is no requirement of an active management, which thereby reduces expense ratios. For beginners, this is one of the great way to start investing in the Indian market with minimal risk. Now let's discuss individual stocks. Owning shares of a particular company. While this is more riskier than mutual fund, but it has the potential to offer higher returns. Investing in individual stocks require research and complete understanding of companies' fundamentals. It is very crucial to diversify your stock portfolio in order to mitigate risk. Although you may find it little intimidating at first, but many successful investors have started their journey from well-researched stocks. Before we conclude, here are some important tips as a beginner that you should understand before investing. Set clear financial goals and understand your risk tolerance. Invest regularly and be patient. Wealth creation is a gradual process. It won't happen overnight. Keep a track of your investments and stay updated with market trends. And lastly, avoid investing on just hearsay. Do your own research. And there you have it, an overview of all the investment options that is available for you as a beginner. Start small, stay informed and let your money grow. We really hope that this information was helpful to you. If you liked it, do share it with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.